Alright, today I'm going to be looking at some Randolph Engineering Concords. Concorde is a style of aviator sunglasses. Now, Randolph also has glasses, I believe they're either called Aviators or Pilots, and they're more square looking. And these are the more teardrop shape, the Concords, that are more similar to the typical classic Ray-Ban aviators. These are very similar to those. These, Randolph Engineering, are made in the USA. They're made in Massachusetts, to be exact. So I thought I would get some and check them out. So take them out of the box and let's see what we have. All right. So they come in a nice box to ship in with the label on the end, of course. And let's see. Okay, so this pulls out like this. No, they have a nice case with them. That's good. This isn't actually a nice case. Maybe fake leather or vinyl. A little nice material here on the inside cloth. So what's in here? Okay, here we have the sunglasses themselves. Glass lenses, metal frames, spatula earpiece. Look to be about the same size as the Ray-Ban 3025s, I believe they are, the Aviators. Not too much of a curve, but that's all right. Yeah, these seem really well made. These are not polarized, by the way. I believe you can get polarization with these, but I decided not to get polarization. Polarization has its advantages, but it also has its disadvantages. And one of the disadvantages you have with polarization is that if you're driving and you're trying to look down at your instruments, and if you have any LED instruments here, things like that, they're more difficult to see. You have a GPS, it's more difficult to see. Even look at the computer monitor. With polarized glasses on, sometimes you have to tilt your head in order to see it. Or you can tilt your head and make it disappear. Now, what else is in here? All right. This maintenance kit. Now, what is in here? Okay. It looks like some screws. Nose piece. And I'm guessing this is some kind of screwdriver on a little keychain, key ring there. That's pretty nice. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Hopefully, you won't need a maintenance kit. And we have a cleaning cloth, of course. You can always use the cleaning cloths that come with your sunglasses. A lot of people I see clean them with their shirt. Well, that's going to put tiny scratches in the lens, very, very fine scratches, but over time, you know, your lens can get hazy. They fit well. Now, inside the box, Randolph, the real deal sunglasses made in USA since 1972. By the way, these Aviators, these Concords, or Randolph glasses in general, have been supplied to the military since 1978. Randolph Certificate of Guarantee. Okay, so we got a little bit of propaganda in here. That's nice. And I guess that's about it. Yeah, I guess it is. So there you have it. And the Randolph with a nice case, cleaning cloth, a maintenance kit. You get the sunglasses themselves, which are which seem to be well made, and they're made in the US. And these glasses, I believe I paid around, how much did I pay? 60 bucks, something like that. Decent price for glasses of this caliber. I mean, you're talking about half the price of Ray-Ban aviators, although the Ray-Ban aviators I have are polarized, and polarization usually adds to the cost of glasses. But why do you need it? You don't always need it. Like I said, only for certain circumstances does polarization come in handy. And I decided to go without polarization for these. Don't need it. Pilot glasses, driving glasses are not polarized for the reasons I said. You try to look at the instruments, and sometimes they get blocked out by the polarization. So yeah, I'm glad I bought these. I'm looking forward to wearing them, trying them out. Thanks.